This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating essentials. Sign into the Room account and ensure the Teams Rooms app is installed and licensed. Once authenticated, make sure the room uses a wired LAN with Co-S so audio and video stay stable during meetings. Position the camera, microphone, and speaker to face participants and secure power and USB cables to avoid disruptions. After that, you'll launch the app and connect the room controller so the system is discoverable by your calendar and meeting invites. You now enter the meeting using the Teams Room's touch controller or console, pick the scheduled event or type the meeting ID. Once in, configure the camera framing so remote participants see everyone, and adjust mic gain and speaker volume to avoid clipping or low levels. Use the controller to manage participants, mute lines, or spotlight a presenter. For content, plug in HDMI or USB-C and choose Share on the console, or start a Teams screen share from a connected laptop. Make sure content is clearly visible. To finish, end the meeting from the controller and sign out if the room is shared. Power down any connected laptops to prevent battery drain. If something goes wrong, run the built-in diagnostics and check logs to identify whether the issue is network, device, or firmware related. Make sure to verify latest firmware and that the room has full network access. If audio or video fails, reboot the room console and endpoints. This simple restart resolves most transient problems and restores normal operation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.